Out of bounds.
School Caleb. That's his name, Caleb. Go, Andre! Ay, foul!
Number 11.
Shoot it. Nakasimuha na. Uy, 12.
Next.
Nasaan yung mga... Ano yung ball ba? Line. Go, Andre! Ay, no, no.
Foul number 7.
Rebound! Oy, wow! Andre Perez.
4-7.
Ayun, oh, Kylo, oh, Kylo, oh. Hands up! Rebound! Oy, Kylo. Ako, mabagal, pinasa. Kuha! Ay, walang nakahabol na. Wala, tinira. Wow!
Point number 6.
Kuya.
6-0.
Go, Andre. Go, Care. Rebound. Nice rebound. Jello, hands up! Ay, foul. Ay, traffic.
Robbery.
Hindi naman magsasalita. Mali-mali. Anak, you sit lang, ha? Ito may running around. May dito po active. Nice pick. Oy, wow, good job.
Point.
Parang bago
Number
na
6.
Sanay lang ako. Oy, ano na nangyari?
Sige, sige, palit.
Na ano yung paa. Parang nangalan or what.
Nasa ba si coach? Hindi naman gamay yung player ng Russia. Kami. Baka masisi kami.
Ay, lumabas na. Line na, line.
Line violation.
Baka matalo yan. Kami ba'y masisi?
Hindi tawagin mo. Go, Caleb! Dule!
Save ball.
Wala mo na.
Last shot. Last shot. Foul number 22. Basket count, foul number 2. I'm out. Save ball.
Ah, si
Conductor.
Libre yun, oh. Libre yun. Ayun, umikot, oh.
Save ball number 30.
200. Naku, ang hirap naman na. Hindi natatakot sa 20 na. Nice game, Andre. Go, Andre. Jello, hands up. Rebound. Caleb. Yun. Yes. Let's go, Andre. And one.
Sabi lang, sabi.
Ano naman, kagalit naman. Okay na po. Ano na po?
Volume 20. Michelle.
Go, Andre! Nice.
Good.
Uy, nice, Andre. Foul na nangyari.
Kickball.
Mag-play kayo!
Who's ball? Yun, oh. Galing ni Sir, eh. Yes.
Zero.
Ay! Caleb! Good job! Secure the ball! Wow! I like that!
For the shoot.
Nice assist, Caleb!
Last shot.
Wala ba hindi ba darating sa goal? Makasisi pa kami dyan.
Ayun, oh. Nice game.
For the shoot. Zero.
Control, control. Rebound.
Ball over. 23. Penalty na. Penalty na. Last shot.
Walang nagano. Nakatingin lang sila. Nice pass.
Boys. 94.
Three. Rebound.
For the
Control.
shoot. Save ball. 12 to shoot.
Chase line daw, chase line.
12 to shoot.
Yun.
Ito ay.
Ayun, oh.
For the shoot.
Ay, walang bantay. Slash na naman yan sa gitna. Ay, Congress. Rebound! Ay, yeah. Dapat i-rebound ko yun. Walang tao.
Good boy. 21 game. For the shoot.
Rebound! Rebound!
For 38.
Rebound, Jello.
Son. 57 seconds. Substitution work.
Nag-kick out si Sai.
Ikaw, pag sinalim.
50 seconds.
Let's go, Andre. Let's go, Chase.
More ready to shoot.
No? Ano tayo? Rebound, rebound! Yes! Go, Jello! Ah!
More ready to shoot. 35 seconds. Foul. Number 7, penalty.
Second personal, 11.
Third personal foul.
Third na.
Number 7.
Penalty na ba o warning? Penalty ha?
Third personal foul.
Get one, Andre!
Ngayon, service up tayo. Diba? Service up.
Andre, tatapak sa linya. Yun!
Substitution. Ramos out.
Here!
30 seconds.
Hands up! Ay! Offensive ba?
Number 18.
Ah,
Third personal
18.
foul.
Foul sa
First team foul.
si... Pangalan niya, Pedro. Hands up! Pasok yan.
20 seconds.
Ay! Grabe din yun, no? Walang tawag.
Good.
Walang tawag, grabe din, no?
10 seconds.
Hindi makita.
Baba, baba, baba! Baba ka!
Labas.
And the first quarter. First quarter number 55.
Ako, pinrest na naman. Rebound! Nag-rest, di ba sabi ng coach mo?
Third
Pwede
quarter.
naman, ipasa mo. Uli! Uli! Yun o. Yan, yan. Go, Kirk! Nice D, Kirk! Oy! Uli. Libre yung gitna. Mag-tres. Kuya.
Ball number 9.
Ako, pamamantay kay Coach. Get one, kuya. One, Chase. Rebound. Bagal. Rebound. Agad.
Ball number 16.
Careful. Pakaumiyak yung mga players na. Diyan, ito. Focus daw. Focus mentality. Wow. Rebound. Box. Let's go, John! It's okay, John. You can do it. John, run! Nice D, nice D. Ay! Woo-hoo!
Foul number 55.
Tutuwa si Coach Lester.
Rebound, rebound.
Rebound Nice D, John. Nice D. Yun! Huli! Very good. Kaya pala pinababantay ito. Uy! Let's go, Kirk! Don't be afraid, Kirk. Take the shot. Don't be afraid. Rebound, John. You can do it. Deny! Tuloy! Marunong na mag-play ang mga bata. What is that? Is it cold? Drink water. Pass ahead! Ahead kay Andre! Kaya na! Get, CJ, get! Oy, last touch. CJ, run down. Run fast, CJ. Ay, nag-foul si Kuya. Sub daw, sub. Ayaw na. Ano nangyari? Ay! Kasi dyan, ayun na! Yun! Go, Kirk! Nice shot, Kirk. Nice shot. Don't be afraid. Yan! Woo! Go, John! Pass, pass. John, Kirk. Sayang.
Out of bounds.
Si ano, si John, 8 or 18?
Ito pala 18.
18.
First personal foul, first and foul.
Go, Kirk! Good job, Kirk! Ayaw pa sumali na team. Kaya naman. No, nice hustle, John. Nice hustle, Kirk. Go, Kirk. Go, Andre. Very good. CJ! CJ, pwesto, CJ! Yes, go for 3, Kirk. Ayan, parang. Very nice. Ay. Pasa ahead. Ay, wala eh. Generation na yan. Bola! Bola! Lumikot. Rebound. Ay, gusto na yung dive. Kalaban. Anak! Papakot na yan. Bilis ng takbo mo. Pagod ka na. Okay! Hands up! Hands up, John! Uy, nag-foul si John.
Foul, 2 sets. Number 28, Samson.
Sab mo na si Kuya. Pagod na. Go, Amin! Tubig, tubig.
Connect. 15-27.
Pagkalitan ka siya. Nice John. Good rebound. Nice Andre. CJ, set your feet. Set your feet. Trust Amin. Amin rebound. Amin can do it. Trust Amin. Rebound. Oh, walang tatalo dyan. Lakas yan. Amin. Hands up. Rebound. Hands up. 3 points.
27-18.
Go Caleb.
Foul number 20. Stop.
CJ out. Let's go Jay.
First off.
Sino yun? Kapatid niya?
Score 29-18.
Of course. Maano? Matamis? Go Andre.
Good point number 29. Out 1-18.
Amin, get the ball. Amin. Show up. Hands up, Amin. Mag-rebound yan. Wala tayong taga-rebound.
56 seconds.
Go, Andre. All the way.
Good point number 29. Out 18. Good point number 27.
Ayaw nila to. Jello run.
Quarter to shoot.
Go, Amin. Shoot, make the shot, Amin. Okay, one more. Hands up, Jello. Hands up.
Ball number 18.
18. Dalawa yata silang 18. 81 to 81 ba si John? 81.
Second personal foul, 30 foul, Moses.
Both of them are number 18. I have extra jersey. Rebound. Nice.
Okay, and the second quarter.
Anong quarter? Change quarter.
Oh,
Uy, bola!
third quarter. Next natin, opening, bottom of five.
Show yourself si Jay. Si Jay. Nice. CJ rebound. Wala tayong taga-rebound. Ay! Sayang. Ano nangyari? Kita. Saan daw? Kabila. Red ball.
Connect, bonus free throw.
Set na naman sila ng nice. Yan, sige go. Rebound. Wala talagang talo-talo sila. Hands up, no foul.
2-point number 55. 25.
Rebound, rebound.
Foul tayo, foul number 29.
Foul number 29 ulit.
3 seconds left.
Ang bilis naman dun. Hindi ba talaga? Kala ko foul si Andre. Yun na naman. Na-attack na naman. No, nice. Go, CJ! Rebound! Uy, nakatingin kayo.
Foul.
Second first.
Foul number 6.
Isigaw na lang.
First shot, ulit.
Box out.
Connect. 45, 26.
Two seconds.
3 seconds violation.
Hello, nagugutom din. Hands up.
Foul. Basket count. Foul number 30.
Wala pang kalahati.
Bonus free throw. 2-point number 55. 45, 30. Black. Same ball.
Wala.
Good to shoot. Time to shoot. Shot. Time to shoot.
Oy, CJ!
5 to shoot.
Ang dami nyo nagpipick dyan ha. Walang tao doon.
Goal.
Passer.
2-point number 55. 32.5.
Walang taga-riba.
Vamos.
Rebound!
Wala. Siyempre, kami na yan.
Pinaliwa.
2-point number 6. Tama! Last shot.
Go, Jello.
point number 6.
You need to run faster than Richard para may trailer. You know, CJ yun eh. Hands up! Rebound!
Wow. Good shot. Foul number 29.
Si Andre.
Yes.
First
29.
ni...
Correct?
CJ hindi pa nag-iwan.
Last shot.
You know? Andre! Sino na naman ang
Blank ball. Last shot.
anong sabi daw? Nakatalikod. CJ for 3! Rebound! Yes.
Out of bounds.
Sorry naman. Trap! Takbo! Nice.
2 points number 20. 49-35.
Go CJ!
Out of bounds.
Goal! Control! Ganyan na. Uy!
Line pa tayo. Line.
Bakit pa siya nanggigigil?
Line violation. Rebound na! Sub.
Labaso muna, coach. Pakinumin mo tubig. Okay. Ayan na. Same ball. Composure. Talikod. Nice kill. Ay, naku. Kaya naman. Takbo, Andre. Kuya, naku.
Wow, good shot. Foul number 22. Time out.
Mainit.
Roses.
Good job. Mainit si Kuya. Kahapon.
Next. 50-35.
Composure. Wala namang magre-report sa akin.
Correct.
Foul. 6.
Foul number 6. Penalty.
Penalty na. Third personal. Pasok ko si Amin. Dalawang isip. Grabe nun.
Juggling.
Sige na.
Order to shoot. To point number 55.
Go, Caleb. Yes.
To point number 30.
Nice one, Caleb. Nice defense, Caleb. Nice D. Ay, foul. 8 seconds.
8
One time.
seconds. Final for Tata.
Pasok mo na si John.
Tata, bigyan mo natin
Pasok
na.
si Amin.
Go!
Go to John. For 3. Rebound. Nice.
To point number 11. 39, 53. 56 seconds.
Go! Naku! Bakit pinasan mo? Nice, John! Let's go, Andre! Go ahead! Rebound, Caleb! Yes!
To point number 13. 55 seconds.
Diyan na heart of the foul! Nice. Ay, malaki yan.
Foul. Basket count.
Dalawa yun si Ocho.
Foul number 18.
Dalawa sila 18 eh. Sino doon?
Bonus free throw number 4. Number 20, 15 seconds. Correct?
Ay, nice.
2 points number 55. 10 seconds.
Go, Jello! Yes!
And the third quarter, score number 57.4.
Oh, deny daw, deny. 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 Yan na.
2 points number 55. 57.6.
Nakatingin sa baba. Huwag kang mag-dribble ng sayang. Ayun o. It's okay.
2 points number 6. 59.6. Robbery.
Amin, be aggressive. Don't be afraid. You can do it. Attack, attack. Galing.
Foul. 2 shots. Foul number 5.
Amin, fight. Composure.
Last two. Away.
Let's go, let's go. Sayang.
Foul number 11.
Fourth na yata yung 11. Fourth personal foul yung 11. Amin, shoot! If it's free, take the shot. Ay, foul number 6.
Foul now. Foul number 6.
Nag-graduate ka na.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Pwede? Mga kapatid na. Nice, Andre. Go, Andre.
Out of bounds. Double people.
Yan, ganun naman yun. Let's go, let's go.
Sorry.
Amin, hustle! Hustle! Take the ball! Take the ball! Yes! Nice defense. Out.
Out of bounds.
Hands up lang,
40 to
hands up.
shoot.
Jump ball.
3 seconds violation.
Composure, composure. Rebound. Wala tayong taga-rebound. Yun, oh. Amin, get the ball.
Basket. Foul gun number 5.
Pinasok na yung dalawa. Sub. John. Out.
Ball is good now connect.
Ano ba itong mga to? Hindi nakatingin. Uy! Kuya, ano? Hindi pa alam kung saan ang pwesto. Rebound! Dami na pa eh. Hindi ko naman. Ay! Nabitawan! Composure! Marunong na mag-handle ng pressure. Pwesto! CJ, pwesto! Naku, pati ang naglalakad. Go, go, get him! Inubos ni Coach ang timeout, ah. No iPad na lang. Ito, you need to do your work first. Diba? Hindi na pag-usapan natin, diba?
Nice one!
Hindi sa contest. Yan, tira. Nice! Easy, easy. Suwabe ang dala. Let's go, Andre. Ay, ayun! Good job, Andre. Nice. si Kuya, may nakasunod na. Double team ka na niya. Pass agad. Sige, left, sige, left. For three. Okay, left. Ay, foul na naman.
Foul number 30, substitution. Penalty, Roses.
Natapos makatras ng foul. Let's go, Bailey. Composure! Nice, Andre. Nice hustle, Andre. Magaling. That's up.
14 to shoot.
No, nice jump.
Last 2 minutes.
Ay!
Foul number 55, warning for penalty. Last shot.
Kami, penalty na kami. Let's go, Andre. You know? Ay! Naligaw.
Instance violation 136. Remaining.
Papasigay din. Makita naman ang
Last shot.
time out. Thrown out. Minsan yung bola. Dito.
1 minute 35.
Go, CJ. Rebound, John.
1 minute 20 remaining.
Takbo, takbo. Takbo, takbo.
Foul number 18, penalty. 1 minute 14 seconds.
Nahuli.
57, 66, 1 minute 30 remaining.
Oy, Ford.
Foul number 55, penalty. 1 minute remaining.
Hindi na binibilang yung ano. Yung foul. Sige na nga. Let's go, CJ! Get one, CJ! Practice tayo ng free throw. Ang lakas!
52 seconds remaining.
Nasaan yung bola? Ah, ito. Dali ako nalilito. Uy, dali. Nag-aantay yung